Welcome to Getting Started with Freegal for Web Browser, brought to you by the Halton Hills Public Library. This will be a brief guide to using Freegal Music on your computer to access amazing content like music, music videos, and audiobooks for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card. Let's begin. This presentation will show you the ins and outs of how to browse for music, search for specific songs, artists, or albums, stream, and download content using Freegal Music on your computer. Let's start by opening a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Internet Explorer. This digital resource needs to be accessed through the Halton Hills Public Library website. Start by going to www.hhpl.on.ca and hovering your mouse over the word Research and Support at the top. This will give you a drop-down menu. You want to click on Library at Home. This will take you to many of HHPL's online resources. Click on the purple plus box beside Freegal Music. Finally, click on the purple box that says Freegal. This will take you directly to Halton Hills Public Library's Freegal Music website. Although Freegal will show you featured content and allow you to browse without logging in, you won't be able to save, stream, or download music until you do. Press the blue Login button at the top right of the screen. Next, you will need to type in your library card number, which is found on your library card, and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number, and press Login. The first time you log into Freegal, they will ask for your email address so they can send you notifications about your account. You are not required to provide this and can simply press Cancel if you don't want to give your email. Below the email box, there's a checkbox that says Do not show this message again. If you're not entering your email, make sure to check this box before pressing Cancel. Otherwise, you will see this request for email every time you log in. Once you have logged in, the website will remember you for some time. However, if you log out of your account, change internet browsers, change computers, or download the app to your phone or tablet, you will be required to log in again with your library card number and PIN to access your music. Now that you've logged in, let's take a look closer at how to use Freegal. The first screen you see is called the home screen. There's lots of different things you can do from this screen, including see how many downloads you still have available for this week, as well as the number of streaming minutes that are available each day. Both of these numbers are set by the library and can change at any time. Downloads reset at midnight Central Time on Sunday night, and streaming minutes are reset daily at midnight Central Time. You can search for specific songs, albums, or artists. You can access featured content, including featured playlists, albums, and songs. You can see what songs and albums you've listened to recently in your Recently Played folder, and your Recently Played playlists will show up on the right-hand side. You can look and see what you have saved in your wish list. You can start browsing music, and you can see all of your downloads and playlists in the My Music folder. The 3 stacked dots in the upper right-hand corner beside the Login button will take you to your settings. From here, you can change your notifications by providing an email, read answers to frequently asked questions on a variety of topics, and get support from Freegal. Let's take a look at how to browse for music in Freegal. First, tap the picture of the music notes that says Browse on the left-hand side of the screen. This will allow you to peruse for thousands of artists, tens of thousands of albums, and millions of songs that are available through Freegal. You can narrow down your browsing by selecting one of the choices at the top of the screen. You can browse by trending, new arrivals, genre, playlists, artists, music videos, and audiobooks. While browsing, if you find a specific song that you like, you can play it by pressing the triangular play button on the album cover. This will stream the music using an internet connection. However, if I see a playlist or an album that I like, I can tap the cover of that playlist or album to get more information about it. From here, I can stream the entire album or playlist in order, or I can shuffle the songs so they play in a random order. This is still streaming the whole album or playlist, just not in the order that they show up on the screen. Or I can just choose an individual song from that playlist or album to listen to. If there's a particular song that I like, I may want to save it. I can do this in a variety of ways. By pressing the star button beside the song, I can add it to my wish list. This saves the song, video, or audiobook in a folder so that you can listen or download it at another time. If I press the 3 lines with the plus sign beside the star, I can add this song to one of my playlists, or create a new playlist using this song. Creating playlists is kind of like making your own mixtape. Last, if I press the down arrow at the very end, I can download and save the song to my computer. You can access any of your saved content through the My Music button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will show you your downloaded songs, created playlists, and saved videos and audiobooks. You can also access your wish list from here or from the home page. But what if you want to search for a specific item? You can type a song title, artist name, album, or keyword into the search bar at the top of the screen, and either press enter on your keyboard or press the magnifying glass with your mouse after you're done typing. You can also do an advanced search from the web page by clicking on the words Advanced Search beside the search bar. This will bring up a screen with a form where you can enter multiple pieces of information, like a song title and an artist name, or an album title and a composer name. Once you've typed in your terms and pressed enter, your search will be shown below. Scroll through to find exactly what you're looking for. We know that with any type of technology, some difficulties may occur. Let's look at a few ways we might be able to help you before you begin your Freegal journey. First, not all internet browsers are created equal. If you're having difficulty with Freegal Music on one, try a different browser. Check the volume controls on your computer. Make sure your computer isn't muted or set to silent. Additionally, check what level your volume is set on. It may just need to be turned up a little. If you do get an error message and you're not sure how to fix it, write down exactly what it says and what you were doing when the error message occurred. This will better help us to help you. Reach out to us at askus@haltonhills.ca. We may have a quick fix for your problem. Freegal also has a wonderful FAQ section on their website with lots of information on a variety of topics. If you need some help on a topic that wasn't covered here, they may have information there to help you. You can access the FAQs through the settings or by scrolling to the bottom of the screen on the website. Thank you for joining us for getting started with Freegal for web browsers. I hope you were able to learn something new. Now go use Freegal to find some great music to stream and download for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.